What's going on, my friends and family? Welcome back to another video where today it is a very different video because we are doing an opening, an unboxing video. Okay, so today what we have for you guys, it's in this box. And before I start the video, I just want to have a quick shout out to my boy Joel, my cousin. He's the one that got this for me and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. You didn't say make opening video, so this is why I'm doing it. Got another angle as well, what's poppin'. So right here we got an ultimate sound WONDERBOOM. Ultimate ear, not ultimate sound. I just got it yesterday, so I just want to do an unboxing video. I haven't touched it at all, so that's why I'm gonna make a video on first-hand reactions. I did some research before this, and I just want to say a few things about the stuff on the back. So basically the first item that's on here is waterproofness. And yes, on the side it shows it's waterproof, which is super good. It goes a meter deep and it lasts for 30 minutes. So it's actually a really long time. That's submerged as well. You can spray water on it. It can be raining outside and it'll be completely fine. We're also going to test it out later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. Also, it's drop proof, and basically it's just drop proof. I'm not going to test that one out. The good thing about this is it's 360 sound. That's a very unique feature, and yeah, the sound quality all the way around is really good. So it helps with like parties and going out and hanging out with friends. That's really fun. The lasting time, the battery life, is 10 hours long, 2.8 hours until full charge, but that's from 0% to 100%. So there is one last feature, which is connect two WONDERBOOMs, so kind of like the JBL Connect. So right now we're going straight into it. Let me see, it has two stickers on the side, so I'm gonna try my best not to break anything. But yeah, for knife. Okay. Cut. So unboxing time. Alright, so here's the box, and might need the. Actually, let me see if I can actually. No, I need the knife again. Oh, look at that beauty. Alright, so this is how it comes. It just opens up and boom, there's your speaker right there. I got the green and white one. That is phenomenal. It looks so good. It's also really portable. That's one of the best things. It's like super portable. It's tiny and like you can just pop it in your bag. Also, if you're one of those like safety people, like the ones that can fit in your water bottle, I feel like those are easier for people to steal. But this, you can just put it in your bag, and then it's also like not that heavy, so it's super good. So right here we have the two buttons, volume up, volume down, and on the top, as you can see, there is 3 different buttons actually. One is for Bluetooth connecting a new Bluetooth. This is on. That sounds so good. So right here, the beeping button is the Bluetooth, and in the middle, if you press it, or I guess you just hold it, you can connect 2 WONDERBOOMs together. The middle is button 2, don't miss that. But yeah, if you hold the middle and hold another WONDERBOOM by it, you can actually connect the 2, and 2 together sounds amazing. Alright guys, so right here I have the 2 WONDERBOOMs, and this is my brother's, and this is the brand new one that I just got. We're gonna be testing out the linking feature of this speaker. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them both on. Boom and boom. And right here, as you can see, literally on the title, like the ultimate ear symbol, is actually a button. I didn't know that until I researched it. But if you go ahead and hold the 2 buttons, there you go, it's connected. So now we're gonna test the music feature. You just have to connect to one of the speakers. Like I've connected to my own, but then it's like linked up, so it will come up from 2 speakers. Yeah, it's like both, and it's like way louder. You can still turn it up. This is not the loudest, but yeah. And something I forgot to mention before is that their connecting distance is 33 meters. I'm not sure what that is in feet, but it's pretty dang long. Yeah, you can just pop them across the room from each other, and it still works. So let's try it out right now. Alright guys, so we are currently in my room. I just set up one here, and come along, follow the camera. The other one is set up on this wall. So if you want to see the difference, it's like not too far apart because the other one's literally like right there. But it can go way further, but like as you can hear, like it's pretty good sound quality. Right here we have an opening which you can charge the WONDERBOOM. So right now we're going to try out these different features, and starting with the waterproof, so let's go. Alright guys, so we have the ultimate ear WONDERBOOM set up right in front of us. We're going to test its sound quality and waterproofness, just like a sprinkle of water, not submerged. We'll try that later on. So right now, I've already connected to it with my phone, and we're going to hit some music.
No. Yeah.
Hey.
360 in the contract.
Okay, obviously you can see the 360, so wherever you're facing, the music is there, and if I want to make it louder, it's pretty loud, and lower the sound. Right here we have a bottle of water. I'm moving my phone because it's not waterproof. We're gonna try and see if there's any difference in the music. Right guys, ready for this? 3, 2, 1. No difference in the sound quality, as you can see, perfectly fine, really waterproof. And so now, coming to you, Future Tim, for the completely submerged.
Alright, what's up guys? Thanks, Past Tim. So right now I'm currently at my sink. It's full of water, and we're gonna try the underwater fully submerged feature of the WONDERBOOM. So yeah, I got the GoPro in the sink to get the footage and see how the audio is underwater. I don't know what to expect from the audio, and so basically underwater it can last for 30 minutes, and yeah, so that's pretty good. So we're gonna try it out right now. Alright, so we're starting the song pretty good. Currently gonna turn it up a little, and now we're gonna try submerge it. Got the GoPro angle, seeing how that sounds.
So guys, that's basically the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this opening the WONDERBOOM. As you can see right here, it's also a really good price. Thank you guys for watching this video. Go check it out, it's really cool. Yeah, besides that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
And now for 30 seconds of Tim dancing.
360 in the contract, never that. I just take the contact, I bring it back. I'm running on the fast break, behind the back. Yeah, this that penny with the shack.
If he's passing me the rock, they might not get it back. They never gave a hand, now they wanna give me that. I don't know where you been, I got fear of God, ain't no fear of man. These them air minios, yeesh, need a pair of them. LA, man, I feel like magic. LA, I can't stand the traffic. West side for the vacation. Yeah, Westbrook, gonna isolation.
Today we are on